Did you know you can put a gas fireplace anywhere in your home? It's all possible with a power vent system. A power vent system allows you to install a gas fireplace virtually anywhere, making it possible to enjoy the warmth and ambiance of a fireplace in every room of your home. But what is a power vent, and why do you need it? A typical direct vent gas fireplace normally moves the exhaust out, all while bringing fresh air in to fuel the flames. But sometimes the natural airflow doesn't move enough air for the fire, like when your fireplace venting zigzags a long way through your home, or if you can't vent through the ceiling or wall and the only place to go is down. A power vent is a fan-powered accessory that helps by pulling exhaust through the fireplace venting. The power vent can be installed inline or at the vent termination outside your home. To summarize, this or this can lead to this. Who knew? Enjoy a captivating fire virtually anywhere in your home.